Pursuing a PhD at MSDI is an excellent opportunity to actually ensure that your research has impact. So my research is looking to change how we think about household food waste from a behavioural perspective and what that means for policy and programs that try and reduce household food waste. So this particular change is important because we produce around 3 billion tonnes of food every year across the world, and of that we throw out about 1 billion tonnes. So we waste about a third of all the food that we produce across the world every year. And a significant proportion of that, and in many cases the majority of the food waste in a lot of countries, comes from households. So trying to make change in that particular context, the context of the household, allows us a really significant opportunity to create some meaningful change and reduce this global food waste crisis. What I love about studying at MSDI is that the research that we do is incredibly impact driven. So it's very much about how can what we do in our research actually create change in the real world. The focus of the research is very much about making a meaningful impact on some of the big questions that are confronting our world. So I went about my research thinking about how can I be as impactful as possible, even in the way that I conducted the research. So I made sure that I partnered with some external organisations so that what I was doing was actually being useful to their particular work. I partnered with OzHarvest, who are a national food rescue charity, and through the work actually helped to shape their own national behaviour change campaign that was targeting household food waste and was able to contribute to the development of that program as well as its implementation. One of the other things I loved about working at MSDI is you feel incredibly supported. It's a small team that looks after you, but they really have your back on all the day-to-day challenges and issues of a PhD. And I felt I had a really great engagement with the rest of the PhD cohort as well. If you're interested in learning to be a good researcher, but if you're interested also in ensuring that your research actually has impact, then I can only encourage you to study at MSDI. You're one step closer to the problems, you're one step closer to industry, and it's your best chance really as a researcher to create some meaningful impact.